Hello, my fellow pioneers. Welcome back to CryptoConnex. We are glad to have you back, and in today's video, we will be revealing to you an important and also a very fascinating update regarding the Pi network. Guys, mining farms for the Pi network have now been incorporated and introduced. Guys, this is really a wonderful news, as this will increase the chances of all pioneers wanting to exchange or trade their Pi coins for fiat or real money. Before we proceed, this channel has resumed its daily giveaway of 30 Pi coins to one lucky subscriber to be that lucky winner. Simply comment Pi Network to the moon with the rocket emoji, and don't forget to support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell to get updated whenever we post similar videos. Without any further delay, let's proceed. The newest development in the world of cryptocurrencies is building mining farms, which has been a common hobby among users who want to maximize their chances of mining cryptocurrencies such as Pi coins. These mining farms often consist of several connected devices, such as smartphones or tablets that are used exclusively for this mining. The recently incorporated mining farms of the Pi network can dramatically enhance the number of Pi coins that can be mined by utilizing many devices and streamlining the mining procedure. A smartphone app may be used to mine the new digital currency known as Pi network, and its value has been rising quickly in the market. We'll talk about the advantages and characteristics of this mining farms on the Pi network today, as well as how they help the network function successfully. We'll start with the Vietnamese farms that mine the Pi network. Vietnamese users are clamoring to mine Pi coins in unique and fascinating ways, as the Pi network has been accepted globally. The utilization of mining farms, where users link numerous devices such as smartphones or tablets to the network for the sole purpose of mining Bitcoin and other cryptos, is one of the most well-liked techniques. These mining farms have excelled at producing a larger yield of Pi coins by streamlining the mining procedure and utilizing a number of gadgets. You can also become a member of the Pi network right away to learning how to maximize your mining potential. Let's now discuss the characteristics of a Pi network mining farm. Multiple devices such as smartphones, tablets, or other internet-connected devices make up a typical Pi network mining farm. You can invite people to the Pi network and start mining Pi coins by using the referral system. To enhance mining efficiency, mining farms frequently employ equipment that is specially designed for minimal power usage. The advantages of Pi network mining farms nowadays. By utilizing numerous devices and streamlining the mining process, Pi network mining farms can maximize the number of Pi coins that can be mined. They might be an affordable alternative to mining expensive mining equipment because they frequently employ low-power electronics. Users only need a few devices and a reliable internet connection to get a Pi network mining farm up and running. The referral system can be used by mining farms to generate bonuses for both the referrer and the referee. As the Pi network continues to gain popularity, mining farms may be able to benefit from the potential of Pi coins as the network continues to evolve and grow, because they are more inclusive than conventional mining farms and require less expensive equipment and technical expertise. Pi network mining farms are the newest development in the cryptocurrency industry, and they have a big impact on the Pi network's development. Mining farms can maximize the number of Pi coins that can be mined by utilizing several devices and streamlining the mining procedure. They are a preferred option for Bitcoin aficionados since they are affordable and simple to set up and energy efficient. Mining farms may be a significant factor in the expansion and success of the Pi network as it develops. Below are occasions which some pioneers participated in to celebrate the setting up of their Pi mining farms. That's all for today. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message using the email or telegram provided in the video description, and don't forget to press the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you for watching.